Hot honey. Want to know the best way to make and use hot honey? Hot honey more like a sweet and spicy conspiracy to blow your taste buds away, or my taste buds away. The sweet and spicy dance partner that'll make your taste buds tango with delight. That hot honey, let's set our tongues on fire. I mean, it's honey. It's supposed to be smooth, soothing, comforting, and even healing. But no, we gotta turn it into a culinary daredevil, a blazing beast that'll leave you sweating and gasping for air. Another viral TikTok thing. But it's not really. It's actually good and worth the 10 minutes it takes to make it. What are little girls made of? Sugar and spice. Honey and chili might be a little closer to the mark. Hot honey is great for spicing up some burrata and prosciutto, as you'll soon see. It's delicious. Really good. Serve this to your wife, your girlfriend, she'll love it. Carefully, things might get hot and bothered in the heat of the moment. Or not. And I need a cup of honey. I went for the cheap stuff, because this is kind of experimental work for me. And although I only show you 1 tablespoon of chili, I actually put in 2. So we cook this for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Don't overboil it. And then I pass it through a medium sieve. This is just to get the big chunks of chili out of it. Like if you suffer from ADHD, then maybe you can pass it through a fine mesh sieve, like I did. Sped up. If you're fat, you want to lose weight, I don't recommend you use olive oil on a frying pan to toast this bread. Stick it in a toaster. That's a big ball. You only need half that. So I cut that 1 big ball into 2 balls. Easier to fit in your mouth. 3 slices is enough. Unless you're like a really fat American. The fat Americans don't eat this kind of food, right? This is for skinny Europeans. Gave that one to my wife. It's literally stunned her into silence. Sourdough bread, burrata, hot honey with prosciutto. Prosciutto, the toasted sourdough, and the burrata. And there's some hot honey in there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. That is fire! I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. This should be on every restaurant menu. It's literally toast bread. Heat up a little bit of honey with some chili in it. The hot honey is incredible.
Nice job, team.
Jesus, this is good. Definitely gonna make this again, provided a meteorite doesn't hit us. So good. Won't blow the head off you. It's not that hot. That's what it looks like. Close up. Don't drop on my computer. Focus. Is it focusing? I don't know. Anyway, it looks good. Beautiful texture. It has to be a sourdough. It has to be toasted or done in the pan with some olive oil. That crunch from the sourdough complements the soft squish from the cheese, well, the mozzarella basically, the burrata. Then you get that nice kind of like prosciutto, dried ham flavor, and then the spicy honey just wraps the whole thing up. Prosciutto really tastes out of this world when it's served like this. Recommend it. Really would. It's good.
This conversation can serve no purpose anymore. Goodbye.